Hi everyone, Nancy with our treasure home, and let me fix this. Yes, welcome to the channel. Huh?
Do you know how I tell people on your channel that I can eat a whole lemon? Like when my daddy gives me a whole lemon and I just eat it?
Yes.
There's some proof.
There's some proof. You want to show it? So I made homemade bread in the Ninja.
And look.
Oh, I see that. She ate the whole thing.
It looks
I
like
hope
a
you didn't eat
puffin.
the seeds.
I didn't eat the seeds.
Oh,
There were
okay.
no seeds in there.
There were no seeds in there?
Uh-uh.
Came right on out.
It looks like a puffin.
It looks like a puffin.
Pokemon.
Oh, okay.
Pokemon food.
So, and I will post the recipe down below. I'm just trying to see if this would work in the Ninja.
There's still some lemon in here.
And there you go. I did not let it rise the second time. I was impatient.
I got another one upstairs I gotta eat.
So, oh, the smell of fresh bread. Oh, that smells so good. And it's still warm. So, there you go. I made a round loaf. I should have just let it rise again, and because it had been puffed up a little bit more, but I didn't. What you could do, if you have a Ninja or Instant Pot, whatever, put it on the warm function, or, you know, if you're going to bake, do it for a minute so it'll heat that bottom side up, and then turn it off, and then you could put your dough in there, and that heat will make it rise again the second time faster than it just sitting on the counter. I could have done that. It has a dehydrate function, and I've tried doing the bread by their recipe like that. It just didn't turn out. I like my way better. So there you go. Homemade bread in the Ninja Foodi. Oh man, I want a piece of that so much. So yes, my bread on the bottom always feels wet or moist when I take it out of the pans from the oven. So it's just going to sit on the counter. I'm going to flip it back over, let that do its thing. Like I said, I put it on the bake. It was $3.50 for 20 minutes, and I will post the recipe down below. And that is our homemade recipe. Old-fashioned recipe bread. I'm definitely gonna take a piece. We all love warm bread. Because I got to see how it turned out. There we go. Yeah, definitely. That's good. Still learning how to do this thing. So I might put it back in there for a few more minutes. But that is the bread for today. If you haven't liked, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.